Okay, so let's solve this simple math question again. So look at the question. Solve log in base 2. That's log y plus 3 in base 2 raised to power of 12 equal to 36. Okay, this is very, very simple. Just watch. Very, very simple. I know you can solve it, but let's solve it together. Okay, now solution. So I'm going to I'll write it down again. Log y plus 3 raised to power of 12 in base 2 equal to what? 36. Now remember, in log, let's assume we have something like log a raised to power of b. You are seeing that this log is raised to another power. If it is raised to another power, what do? We will carry the power that it is raised to again to the back. It will be multiplying it. Do you understand? Yes. So let's assume we have something like this. Log 4 is the same thing as log, let's just say 2 raised to power of 2. So I can carry this 2. Do you understand? I can carry this 2 back. It becomes what? 2 log 2. So this is what I'm going to do here. So what do we do? I'm going to carry this 12 back. So I'm going to have 12 log y plus 3 in base 2 equal to what? 36. Now, what should be the next thing to do? I will divide both sides of the equation by the coefficient of this log y plus 3. You understand? Which is what? 12. So I'm going to do what? Divide both sides by what? 12. Divide both sides by 12. 12, 12. 12 here, 1. 12 in 36 will give me 3. So I'm going to be having log y plus 3. Remember, it's in base 2. Is equal to what? 3. Okay? Now, remember this again. Let's assume we have something like this. Log a. Let's just say log. Let's just say we have log b base a, rather. Log b base a equal to what? C. Let's assume we have this. So what I'm going to do? Log b base a is equal to what? Log a. Now this base, which was base, you raise it to power of what? C. You understand? This is C. So it's going to be what? Log the base, which is a. Log the base, which is a. Do you understand? Log of the base, which is a, raised to power of this. So this is what I'm going to do here. So it's going to be log y plus 3 in base 2 is equal to log 2, this base, 2 raised to power of 3. So I can cancel these logs. They are common. Okay? Then we equate the powers. So I'm going to be having that y plus 3 is equal to 2 raised to power of 3 simply means 2 times 2 times 2. 2 should multiply itself twice or 3 times. Okay? So I'm going to be having what? 2 times 2, 4 times 2, 8. So I'm going to be having what? 8. Okay? Now, look at this power. This power is even. Once the power is even, we are going to be having 2 values of the unknown, which is what? Y. Okay? We're going to be having 2 values of the unknown. But if it is an odd number, like if the index is what? Odd, we are going to be having one number, one value. But it is even here. The index, that is the power. This is 12. The 12 is what? Even. So we're going to be having 2 values of the unknown, which is y. So I'm going to say that, okay, y, because of that, I'm saying that y plus 3 is equal to what? Plus or minus what? 8. Okay? Y plus 3 is equal to what? Plus or minus 8. So I'm going to find the y and move. I'm collecting like term so that y can stand on its own. And remember that when positive sign crosses equality sign, it becomes negative. Okay? It becomes minus. So I'm going to say that my y is equal to, now remember, we are taking plus or minus 8. So I'm going to say now that my y is equal to what? Plus 8 means 8. This plus 3, once it crosses, becomes what? Minus 3. You understand? Or y equal to, so it's going to cross again, so it becomes what? Minus 8. Plus or minus, if you have taken the plus, this is the minus. Minus 8 Remember that when plus a crosses, it becomes what? -3. Do you understand? That means our y is equal to 8 minus 3 is what? 5. Or y equal to what? -8 minus 3 equal to what? -11. As simple as that. Thank you. Thank you. Don't forget to like, comment, share, subscribe, and at the same time follow. Okay, if you have any question, if you are confused on any topic in mathematics, just comment the topic on the comment section, drop it on the comment section, and I'll do you a favor to explain it to your understanding. Thank you.